comes to my house and you come over and take it and bring it to your house? You have paper? It's 50 cents every day and I pay for the goddamn paper. I take your paper? Yeah, you take my paper. Why? I don't know why. That's why I'm calling you. I'm trying to find out why the hell you do something like that. Why you know that? Why you know I take it? Yeah, I know you take it. You want me to kick your ass? Why you know I take it? Yeah, you stop taking my paper, otherwise I'm going to kick some ass. Oh! I want you to go get the paper right now and read it to me, because I don't know what the hell's going on in the world, because I don't have a frickin' paper. Motherfucker, shit, bitch! Hey! You don't talk to me like that! What's that, guy? You want trouble, right? What? You want trouble, right? You want some trouble? You want trouble! If you want trouble, I got trouble right here waiting for you! You bring my paper home now, and then you'll get in trouble! Yeah! Hey, you know what? You wrap that paper up back the way it was, and you get it right outside right now! And you know what? I'll make you right in between all yours, and we're going to throw some down! Hello? What are you calling? Why are you trying to change your voice? What are you calling? I know who this is. I just want to get my newspaper back on a regular basis, alright? You want a newspaper? Yeah, I want my newspaper back. Yeah, I'm coming to my house. And I'm tired of playing with you. You don't want me in your house. I'm in your